Hi, my name is Brad Woodson. I'm the Natural Resource Manager with McHenry County Conservation District. Today we're going to talk about the School Springs Wetland and Stream Mitigation Project here in Glacial Park.
So this project was planned for both the stream and the wetland to maximize the functional values for both communities. Through the planning process, the reason we have the design that you see here behind me was by doing a series of interpretation, forensic ecology, if you will, of what occurred, what impacts happened to the land in order to come up with a restoration plan.
That's what we normally do. We do all this background, so we're researching the land use history, found old maps to 1939 air photos to see where the stream was.
So by putting a mark or a figure with the GIS and then overlaying each year on top of each other, you can start to see where the stream naturally wanted to be.
So that's part of the process. Is to get there, we had to go through engineering. We have riffles in here that are grade control structures so the area doesn't erode. And we actually have the stream designed so when we get a flood pulse, it'll actually come out and go into this floodplain we created to prevent flooding of the whole entire area. The neat thing about this project, it had to be logistically sequenced just right.
So we planned this project for August, which is typically the drier period, and we tried to move quickly.
One thing that's nice about working at the McHenry County Conservation District is we do a turnkey operation. So we do a lot of the planning, the initial background research, and then we also do the implementation.
We have a great group of ecologists that are not only understandable about natural resource ecology and processes, but they can also run equipment.
We have staff on bulldozers, on excavators, and dump trucks, doing the whole, every part of it.
And having that group do this project is fantastic because we're able to put operators that understand ecology, and you can give them a design and they can take it and add some artistry and put in a little bit extra riffle or a pool where it makes sense.
We had tremendous help from volunteers putting down the matting, doing the seeding, and actually even placing the rock in the stream. So it's been really a full-fledged district-wide work effort.
One exciting and really rewarding part of being involved in constructing these restoration projects is seeing the natural forces do the work for you.
We had about 10 inches of rain in 1 week. So you would think it would devastate the project, but what it actually did is it naturally shaped it. So it put, kind of Mother Nature put its own twists and turns and erosion and deposit areas in this project. I mean, literally 1 week in.
We had our original stream design and we created a riffle. When we created the riffle, it was very perpendicular and perfect. But nature doesn't do it that way. And you can see right here, we have a big bend coming in and the riffle is kind of offset.
So we're already seeing the results of this stream, this design, this construction interacting with the environment. So that's really cool. But really what's happened in McHenry County, has happened throughout the Midwest, is flooding. What happens a lot of times is water is rushed off the surface of the land through ditches, through drain tiles, and we're trying to hold it. So really one of the easiest concepts to understand is how projects like this will help flooding throughout the county. But what we like it for is, again, all the plants, all the wildlife that are going to be found out here.